Quantifier methods. There are 3 quantifier methods that can be used in a LINQ query. These are all, any, and contains. In the next videos I will explain these methods. But before that, let's understand what do quantifier methods mean. Quantifier methods are used to determine whether a sequence contains any or all elements that satisfy a certain condition, or whether it contains a specific element. The result of quantifier methods is of type Boolean. So, we either get true or false as result. All method is used to check if all elements of a sequence satisfy a condition. Any method is used to check if any element of a sequence satisfies a condition. Contains method is used to check if a sequence contains a specific element. For example, I have the following sequence and the following condition. Using all method I will get false, because not all elements inside the sequence are smaller than 3. Using any method I will get true, because at least one number is smaller than 3. Using contains method with the number 3 I will get true, because the sequence contains the number 3. This is how to use the methods in general. In summary, we have a data source consisting of different elements. We set a quantifier method to check a given condition. As result, we get a Boolean result, true or false. This is what do quantifier methods mean.